Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials: a verified Twitch account and two-factor authentication active. This secures extension installs. Once done, open Creator Dashboard and choose Extensions immediately because you need the dashboard context to proceed. Next, search the Extensions library for the exact extension name or paste an extension ID. This locates the extension page fast. Make sure you understand the extension type, panel, overlay, or component, since that determines placement and permissions required during installation. You now install and configure the chosen extension. Click Install, select the version, published for public, developer for testing, and pick an activation slot like panel or overlay. Once selected, go to Configuration to enter API keys, upload assets like images, and map user roles or moderator controls. Make sure to save changes and review any required OAuth scopes. Those determine what data the extension can access. Test settings in the dashboard preview to confirm visuals and behavior before going live. You finish by activating the extension in your chosen slot and verifying the live preview. This makes it visible on your channel immediately. Once active, run a private test stream or use a hosted chat session to confirm interactions, permissions, and appearance across devices. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Clear browser cache, disable conflicting extensions, reauthorize OAuth or 2FA, and check the extension's status in Developer Console. If it still breaks, contact the extension developer with logs and reproduction steps for support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.